Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're coming for the first time or if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do that. As you know, any version higher than Series 9 in Splunk requires the KB store engine to be migrated to WiredTiger. So in today's video, we will see how we can upgrade the KB store uh, from the older version to the WiredTiger, which is the latest one, which is mandatory to be migrated in Splunk Enterprise versions 9.0 and any other higher version. So here, if you see, and the explanation what I'm giving, it's purely for the standalone instances. For the search at cluster, if you want me to walk you through on that as well, just do let me know in the comment section. I'll walk you through on the migration of KB store in the clustered environment as well. Okay, fine. So here, if you see my KB store, it's still on the older version, right? And we are going to migrate it to the latest version, which is WiredTiger. Okay, so what we need to do, we are going here. So I have two screens here. So here, if you see, I'm inside OPT Splunk ETC system local. So here, you need to just edit server.conf and inside KB storage extension. So it's already there. And if you see the current engine, it says nmap v1. So what you need to do, you just need to add another line under this KB storage extension, and that's going to be storage engine and that migration equals to true, which indicates to Splunk the process that it has to migrate the engine to the latest version. So storage engine migration is true. Now you just need to save it. Okay, so this part is done. What we will do. So now let's execute the migration command now. Which is Splunk migrate and then kvstore engine and then target you need to define. Target engine we want the WiredTiger. So you need to specify that WiredTiger and now just press enter. So it says that Splunk D must not be running when you are performing the kvstore migration. So let's stop this one first. So once Splunk stops, we'll again try to migrate. Okay, so Splunk has stopped now. Let's try to fire this migration command now. So it is Splunk migrate KB store engine. Oh, okay, sorry. So KB store hyphen storage hyphen engine and then target engine. So as you can see, the command is being executed without any further errors now. And you can see the message here successfully migrated to storage by Tiger. Okay, now Splunk has been started. Let's check the KB storage status. Perfect. So now you can see that the storage engine is WiredTiger. And if you want to see the version of MongoDB, you can check that as well. Okay, so it's now 4.0.24. Fine. So in next video, I might show you how to migrate the MongoDB DB engine from series 4.0.24 to 4.2, which is the latest one.